that I got, or the fish that I got?
Just then, Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand came out of the tunnel.
So,
They had been working
you're going to go
hard
up
on
to
Misty
with the bell if you
Thomas
pick
and
this,
Toby were happy
and
to
you're
see
going
the
to
logging
get
robbers.
hit with the fist if you choose that.
Good to see you.
That's what one of your choices. So if you pick one, I'll do it for you.
That's right.
So which one you pick?
Bash puffed and peeped with pride.
Which one?
Then,
Which
Chuck
one?
stepped out.
Bash, your reward is to spend the day with Toby. And Toby, your special is to look after our new friend. I know you will do your job well.
Toby jingled with joy, and Bash beamed from buffer to buffer.
Thank you, sir.